Hello guys, welcome to another video lesson. In this lesson I will discuss with you about how you can become a consistently profitable forex trader. Okay, I have written down few points that you should focus on in order to become a good trader. So first of all, you can see that I have written master trading one simple strategy. This is so important because many of you start trading with the price action, trading 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and you simply can't make any money after a few months, or and then you change the strategy to the swing trading, and you trade like ICD or supply and demand. Well, I'm not ICD guy. I don't understand anything about ICD, but I'm an original supply and demand trader. That's what I learned from my mentor, and I use only supply and demand, nothing else. So it doesn't matter what you're gonna trading, because ICD is the most popular trading strategy out there. I don't understand anything about it, and price action, it has been there for a long time, and then the supply and demand strategy, and there are many other strategies like volume trading and many others. There are lots of strategies, but doesn't matter what you're trading, guys. You should check all these strategies and find a strategy that actually suits your lifestyle and your mental capability, and then you should go for it all in. You should not change this strategy after, okay, at least for 1 year. Okay, so if you are trading supply and demand strategy, then you must become very good at it. Okay, I hope you understood. Then use stop loss. Whenever you trade, you must use stop loss. Okay, never ever trade without stop loss. Trading without stop loss is like opening the Pandora's box. If you don't know the Pandora's box stories, then go and Google it. You will learn it. You make small gains, then suddenly you don't use stop loss in one trade, then all your gains just get eaten by the market. So use stop loss. Okay, you must. And whenever you are trading a strategy, of course you will have a setups. When you're gonna enter and when you're gonna exit. Okay, so whenever you're following a setups, you must execute all the trades provided by that setup. Just let me remove this because I forgot to pay my trading view, and that was because I lost my debit card, and because of that, and I have a credit card, but I don't want to enter my credit card in the trading view. So I'm just waiting for my debit card to come. I ordered it will come, so I can pay. Anyway, guys, so what I was trying to say is you must follow your setups and execute all the trades is provided by your trading setup or trading strategy. Okay, and then number 4, there will be do not risk more than 0.5%. okay, you should never lose more than 0.5%. okay, many of you lose like 2%. I think that's crazy. 1%, that also crazy. Why you are hurrying making profits? Many of you also like risk 5% per trade. Why you are hurrying, guys? Take it easy. Less risk will give you more peace of mind. And the number 5, there will be you must collect data. Okay, collecting data, it means whenever you take a trade, you must journal it. You must analyze your trade. Where did you do mistakes? How was your mental situation that time you took a trade? Okay, so data is very important. Okay, it's the data that gives you an edge over the time. So after 100 trades, if you have the data, if you analyze them, you will be able to know that which one works, which one is not work. Actually, collecting data is the biggest best thing you can ever do for your trading. And the number 6, the most important is one of the most important is this: get a real mentor, okay, who will correct your mistakes. Like so you must get a real mentor. Okay, so that's a big plus to have a real mentor. Okay, well guys, that's it for today. And if you like my video, please remember to subscribe. And that's it guys, see you.